geezers, all the older people. Yeah, I need to run some E85. It's been a minute. E85, the pops are just way louder. On 91, depending on how good the octane is, yeah, I'm sure whatever. I think I'm on Safeway gas right now, so the octane is not that high. Put some octane booster or something, you know. I might just have to. I love when they sound like that. Pretty loud. Alright guys, we are here at the car wash. Clean S2K. We're gonna wash the ST right quick. Usually I start off with soap. And I do a little bit of the triple shine. Is it working? Why isn't it working? Bro. I don't fucking do this right. Excuse my language. Okay, start off with soap. I mean, this car is really just dusty, so I don't really have to scrub it. So soap and water should be cool. This car wash gets a little ratchet, but see how quick that was? Just to wash, rinse. I mean, car's just dusty, it's covered up the whole time. And okay, before you guys say anything else, got something coming for that issue right there. Hopefully it works out, you know. I think this bumper just had some damage right here. This kind of ripped off. I need a new reflector, that's for sure. I'm gonna have to cut all that ugly stuff down there. Hey, but other than that, she's coming along. I got a different vision than what I was originally gonna go for, so bear with me guys. Slowly but surely, and should be chill, because I don't know, hopefully it doesn't get messed up, because I barely drive this car now. So yeah, and just like that, we are clean again. Yeah, I forgot how good this car looks like when it's clean. Well, too bad it's gonna go into the covers probably tomorrow. But she looks shiny. I usually don't put tire shine, but this, I got some, so I said why not. Yeah, once again, we really gotta fix that rear end, but she looks phenomenal.